Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to check how to install Davinci Resolve 18. Davinci Resolve is the world's only all-in-one solution for editing, color, VFX, motion graphics and audio. The free version works with virtually all 8-bit video format and up to 60 FPS. Now let's begin with downloading the software. For installing Davinci Resolve, go to your web browser and search for Davinci Resolve. The link will be also given in the description. Here, click on Free Download Now. Now click on that first option, Davinci Resolve 18. Here, fill up with your details to download this software. Register and download. Okay, the download starts now. Oh my god, it is 3.1 GB file. Let's wait to finish this download. After finishing download, go to the download folder. Let's move it to D drive because I always move files to D drive for installation and other stuffs. Extract the zip file here. After extraction, double click on the exe file to begin with the installation. It will take at least 5 minutes to finish its installation. Here, click on Install. Here, click on Next. Agree. Next. Okay, now it will also take at least 5 minutes to finish installation process. Let's wait till that time. Okay, finally we completed the installation process. Now double click on Davinci Resolve to open the application. Let's check it is working correctly or not. Ignore it. Okay, this is our first project. So let's try to import some media. Yeah, everything is working correctly. So everything is working correctly, and this is how to install Davinci Resolve 18.1 in your Windows PC. Hope you guys enjoyed well, and see you in the next video. Also, don't forget to like, share or subscribe.